This is a brief tutorial on how to change the hero title font. So in an Aura site, using a template in the font settings, you have the option of changing the primary font and the headings font. The problem is that changing the headings font will select the font for all headings in your site. I'm going to show you how to isolate the hero title and change its font without changing the font of all your other headings. So here is a demo site I created for a clothing store, and I'd like the title on the hero, Discover Timeless Elegance, to stand out and be different. Right now, if I change the headings font, it will change all the headings, including the subtitle and all the other headings on the site. So in order to just isolate the hero title, first we must select our font from Google Fonts. So when we go to Google Fonts, we choose the font we want, and then we select View Selected Families. Then we want to select and copy the very last link on the site. So just the very last one, we will copy it, and then we will go back and we want to put it in the head of our site. This is not the same as the header, but it's the metadata for the site. So we go to Settings, Advanced, and Edit Head Markup. Once we go there, we just paste it in and hit Save. So now to make minor changes to the template item, we want to use Chrome Tools. And I'm going to show you how to do this. It's not necessary for you to know how to do this, but it's good information if you want to change anything else. So on your site in preview mode, we right click on the site and click Inspect. And then you'll see over here to the right, when I hover over any of these lines, it will highlight the element that it's referring to. So I want to isolate just the hero title. So I kind of drill down until I find that hero title, and it's this only thing that's highlighted. And you'll also see right there in the element that you see my title, Discover Timeless Elegance. So now we wanted to just go ahead and look at the element title, and then we want to copy that name. Once we have that copied, we go back to our site and back to the builder, and then we want to go and edit our CSS. So in theme, we want to edit CSS, and then there we can just copy what we just the name that we found from Inspect, and open and close curly braces. And in between the open and close curly brace, we will go and from Google Fonts copy that so we can identify the font family that we want to use for our title. And then we just hit Save. And now you'll see that the font has been changed. And if we want to make sure that the font for all the fonts headings were not changed, we can go in and change our header fonts to something simple, and you'll see that the subtitle is different from the font for the title. Now, you do not need to know how to go in and use the Chrome DevTools and inspect to find the name that is for that element or that component. You can just copy it directly from this site or this video. And so just to recap, we go to our Google Fonts, we find the font that we want to copy that last link in Google Fonts, and we want to post that into the head of your site. And this is found by going into Settings, Advanced, and clicking on Edit Head Markup. And then we want to go into CSS, and we will add the following to change our font. So the component title is .force community theme hero base space .content title, open and close curly brackets, and then in the middle you paste your font family. So it's not necessary for you to know how to go and inspect a site. That's just for your information, and if you want to ever isolate another heading on another page. But if you just want to edit the hero title, you can just use that name right there, and this between the curly brackets, you will paste your Google font family. And that is it on how to change the font for your hero title.